If you need to reset your password on Verbit, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process easily. Step 1. Go to the login page. Navigate to the Verbit login page using your web browser. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or similar. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use sRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. In the password reset form, enter the email address associated with your Verbit account. Make sure to double check for any typos before submitting. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Verbit. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new password, ensuring it meets any specified security requirements. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Verbit support for assistance.